Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend all Facebook friends in one click in your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. Well, Facebook does not provide a native feature to unfriend all your friends in one click. However, there are some methods you can use to achieve this on your laptop, though they require caution. Method 1 is to manually unfriend all your friends. You have to open Facebook on your preferred web browser by typing in www.facebook.com, then providing your login details and login into your Facebook. Then you have to go to your profiles and look for friends. Tap on friends from your profile and select everyone with the three dots provided at the right side of their profile, then selecting unfriend, or you can simply unfollow them. Well, unfriend each friend, click on the friends button next to each friend's name and select unfriend. Method 2 is browser extensions and scripts. You have to use these with caution. Well, there are browser extensions and scripts available that automate the process of unfriending multiple friends. However, these methods come with significant risks like security risks. Using third-party extensions or scripts can compromise your account security. Another risk is account suspension. Facebook may detect and flag mass unfriending as suspicious activity, potentially leading to account suspension. Using a script example for educational purposes only. Install a usual strict manager and find reliable script. Install and run the script. And there you go. You can automatically unfriend all your friends in one click. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.